Anyway, you heard me mention Malley. With Malley being mentioned, I'm going to have to go into Boeing. This is one of the things Malley traded this year and killed it. And as of late, Boeing's in the press in the crazy limelight. And I saw this on Twitter and had to absolutely share it. This is definitely wrong, but the jokes of the Boeing whistleblowers getting taken out is now at the level people are posting Boeing whistleblower Lego sets, which I wanted to show and note that it says 12 to 46 years old. Anyway. Phil, what were you asking how to spell? Was it the Morpheus? If it was the Morpheus, I apologize because that was a while back. You can shoot me a DM. I'll shoot it over to you. Let me pull off the golden pocket because I don't want to cloud up the charts. But the golden pocket tool, if you don't have it in your custom clouds, delete custom clouds and install the new version. 1.12 has the new one. With that being said, Boeing has fallen off the cliff, as with a lot of the parts off their planes with the news, and it's been really, really bad lately as far as the news schedule. And rightfully so. There's whistleblowers coming out. There's parts falling off planes. It's a bad vibe. But look at the volatility we're getting on Boeing. That was a 50% pump on a trade fine market. That this was the one that like Malley really killed, and now it's bleeding back out. And we're actually retesting and supporting this older pivot that's on the dailies. There's an order block here from 167 to 174. And I've been paying attention to it because this is too damn clean to ignore. When I see stuff reacting to pivots this strong, this consecutively, I take notes. Because when the whales are respecting support, I really want to pay attention to it, because if they're respecting the chart, the clue of what's going to happen next is really in the chart. And that's what I'm really kind of interested in Boeing. There's so much god-awful press news on this, and it did a swing into this order block liquidity, which it failed to touch here on this ridiculous drive. Look at all those RSI prints and that little bump. And full disclosure, I messed up that trade. I got closed out at break even because I bit here, and then it retraced down, and then it pumped freaking 50%. And that one bit me. I was mad because I saw this and I wanted to get it, and that little move there baited me. Regardless, dead cat bounce killed me, but this one went deeper. It's showing support here, and maybe this thing's about to flip these EMAs green and get going. So that's what I'm kind of looking. If we go to the 1 hour, you can see the trend here went up until they broke through the EMAs. These are the EMAs I kind of watch. I know a lot of guys use like the Ripster clouds. This is just the 33, the 66, and the 99 EMAs, just so I can kind of get that look in it. I don't use it all the time, but I'm watching it for these type of trends. And this one's starting to flip it on the 1 hour. And if we're going to try to climb back up, maybe this is where we start to form a trend. And if it is, I can at least hop on and see if a rip shows or if it's just going to chop out some more. Regardless, my invalidation's really, really close here. I've got double pivots there, and then the 1 hour, the daily pivots below there. So I'm looking for a sustained trend change, and if it trend changes goes, I can ride it. Speaking of trends,